All right, y'all. It is December 18th, 8:30 a.m. at the bell. We are leaning towards doing puts on IWM. What a huge run up. Good report in CPI, apparently. So market's very emotional. So I want to be patient with this process because even though we're seeing some decent signs of divergence, or various divergence. The market's very emotional right now, so you don't want to trade against the crowd or the euphoria of how the market feels. So I'm gonna wait it out. I wanted to give it a strong 5 minutes before I jumped in. Uh, see a lot of see some bearish pressure kind of increasing in here. We're gonna have to wait it out. This is gonna be a little scary at the bell. A lot of volatility. Um, Yeah, we have to let the market calm down in my view. I think honestly it may take some time here. So I would say the first 15 minutes is worth waiting. Usually I give it five because the market is so energized by this report. Um, we're definitely in a downtrend over the past week, so that's the best thing to do. This is technically that lower high we would be looking for and kind of pushing it back here, but if the market's going to be emotional today, which is, looking at this candle here on the hourlies, it's very emotional. A lot of bullish pressure pushing up right here. So you don't want to step in the way of that freight train. So I just wanted to record just in case I jumped in the first, 5 to 15 minutes. If not, this could just be a good pre-market analysis. Everything from a technical standpoint looks a little overbought. So we just have to wait and be patient. You can know when something's happened or supposed to happen or come, like another lower high and keep pushing down on the trend. But this could be the point where market wants to push up for the rest of the year. So we'll see. Give it the first 15 minutes because it's pushing up pretty strong to start off. No reason for us to get in right now if our setup doesn't allow it. And everything looks remarkable so far. So if we're gonna have an emotional market, just stay out of the way so far until your setup looks clear. Let's give it time. 2 minutes on this candle here. Bears kind of losing their way. We're looking at QQQ. I needed to be looking at IWM. So I needed to be looking at here. Could be a little bit of exhaustion. Who knows? Seeing a strong downtrend on the long term screen one. A lot of volume for the bulls, but it's got to be patient on this entry if we're gonna short this. And the other side of it is if the market just decides to continue to push and go crazy, you just stay out of the way because we don't have a setup at all. So it's not a part of our game plan. Um, oops, sorry. Hold on one second. All right, I'm back. Um, About to jump into IWM puts here. We're getting a strong rejection. Uh, we should have been jumped in. All right, I'm a little late, but it's all right. Let's do it. And this could be, actually, let me see something here. Do I need a little bit more? Nah, I'm gonna stick to the system. We're going in. We're going in. All right. We are jumped into IWM puts. Top. Let's see here. Let's get everything set up. And I'll worry about explaining in just a second. Let me get everything set. Where is it? No, that's not it. That's the one. Um, the 26th. -4. All right. So, yep, got the reversal we were looking for here. I think we get a strong push down. I don't think it'll last long. Bears are looking like they're coming in pretty strong. They cut back in pretty hard on that last candle, an inside candle. The fight for this EMA is what we'll be watching for, but got to get it down to 248.97. A $2 move. I don't expect it to make it there, but it's looking pretty good right now. So we might get it. We're currently up 3%. Nope, I can't see it. Hold on, let me get that percentage up. 1%. Profit loss. Add that. Okay. Only up 10%. That is crazy already. Once it gets up to about 15%, we'll cut it a little bit better than that. But the bears are coming in heavy right now. 15. We will cut this down to 10. A little bit of a dog right here. And we're up 16%. So we shorten that trailing stop a little bit. Where we at 236. So we're actually in profit right now. And that's what we're doing. We're just waiting until this finishes here. And we're getting in early too, so we got a lot of room to run. This may stick. We're up 16%, 18%. If we can get it down here to 248 pretty quick, that'd be pretty amazing. We'll see though. Bulls are actually kind of increasing here on the 5 minute, so we're in a good position. We got a minute and 5 seconds, and I think the Bulls will have a little bit of retracement. What I'm kind of hoping for is we have more volatility that kind of gets us down to profit target. We're up 19%. I kind of just don't want we're almost there. Come on. 45 seconds. I think we can if we can get it in 45 seconds, that's a serious great scout we just got here. Up 22%. We can tighten it up a little bit more so we're not giving up so much. Let's do 7. Get a little bit tighter there. We're up 22%. We don't want to give them back any too much more money. Want to keep it tight. We'll probably lose out on the next 15 seconds here. It'll take us out, but at least we'll have some kind of profit to work with. Hoping that on the next counter they keep pushing. So it's 8:45. Let's see what the next candle brings. Hard push up 294. We're at 270. Limit is at 294. Actually, the stop loss is at 255. We're actually close to being taken out here if we don't get no rejection. Probably get a little, if we don't get a hard rejection on this EMA here, we'll probably get taken out. Bears looking solid though. They might keep it under there. Bears looking solid. We up 18%. If we can get one good push on this last candle, that's a solid 30% we just took. It's getting real tight. It's looking decent. It's gonna be real close. All right, I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of this trade. It's looking pretty good. All right, y'all. That's the trade. What we walk away with. That was a pretty quick one too, boy. We've been cooking. That makes five in a row. I'll take it. $165. What's the percentage? That's good. That's a solid trade. I feel like we could have got more, but I'm gonna stick to this game plan. I'm loving it too much. The consistency of winning over and over and over, and it's a complete system. It's nothing to question. Let's see. Because we were training that stop pretty well. 14%. I can't be mad at that. I will never be mad at that. 14% is hard. So we did really good all the way around. We're probably not quite the 30% I wanted, but we were pretty close. It was up like 22, 23%. And I'm excited about it. So it's nothing to really question or be upset about. Makes five in a row using the same type system. And I'm just excited that, I can read everything I'm reading is going well. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. It's been going great. So another good day on the charts. All right, y'all be easy.